Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing something that I've never done before. I'm over at Ski Liberty. I've done that before, but today is Christmas Day, so I thought, well, I don't have a whole lot going on home this morning, so I thought I'd come out and get a few hours in the morning. And boy, you know, I was surprised. I did see you know, a small amount of vehicles out in the parking lot, but out here on the slopes, and this is about 8:30 a.m. There's no line on the Alpine Quad. Not a lot of no activity over here, and the rental snowboard lines are wide open. So looks like it's going to be a fun day. Let's have a go.
One beautiful Christmas morning later.
Okay everybody, well, as I said before, this is Christmas Day, and over here at Ski Liberty I'm at the top of what they call Upper Ultra. It's one of their steeper slopes here, and guess what I found here today? They'll be coming up here on the lift in a few moments and we'll say hello. Hey Santas! Let's get you on video! Let's do it!
We do it!
Yeah, I know, I saw ya! Alright, here comes the Santa crew! Okay. So what do you guys do when you fall? What do you say? 3 words. Ho, ho, ho.
Ho, ho, yo!
Yeah.
Come to a complete stop real quick. Go. Heck yeah!
I used to be able to do that really good.
Oh,
like
man.
I hit him in his
It's not
goggles.
the best snow to do that.
Oh yeah. No.
Get some powder on the ground, I'm sure you can still hit a mean
Yeah.
spray.
You're doing good for an old man, Santa.
Oh,
Yeah,
good,
brother.
Yeah.
That one's exhilarating.
Yeah.
See, this is a good day. When my
Oh,
back
yeah.
locks up and I can't move, that's
Oh.
a bad day.
Oh
so I'm
no.
gonna live
No,
this
no.
one.
We don't want that.
Oh, happens already, but
Hey, that trail on the far right is actually a lot smoother and
is
gentle. Yeah, more gentle. Yeah.
thank you.
Yep. Yeah, I'm going to film you guys.
All right.
Uh-oh. All right, we'll see you the next time.
Hi, Joe. See you,
Uh,
sir.
Yes, sir. How's the coffee? Well, that was a fun 3 hours or so here skiing at Ski Liberty on Christmas Day, Christmas morning. It's still not too crowded here. The lifts are running, and there's hardly any lines. A few people on the slopes, but you know, it's a fun day for everybody. The snow's pretty good. In fact, I'd say it's excellent in some spots. But yeah, a surprise for me, Christmas Day. Who would have thought? And I got to meet Santa today. All right, well, thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you in the next one.